What's up guys, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to show you how I do affiliate marketing, how I promote products from other people's, and how I make commissions. So check this out. One important thing about doing affiliate marketing is that you need to grow your own audience, and you can do that by creating a YouTube channel and start creating content on the niche in which you want to promote products. So you can go to Google and write, for example, health and fitness affiliate marketing products, relationship products, or make money online products. So those three are the best niches in which you can find products to promote. That being said, I'm going to show you the products that I promote. So I promote affiliate marketing products, specifically high ticket products like the one you are seeing the screen now. Let me show you. So this is the product. The name is the 70 challenge. So let me put here. Okay, so the name is, so this is the low ticket product, the 70 challenge. The price is only $9, and if people want to get access to the high ticket product, and if they buy it, I can make commissions by promoting Freedom Breakthrough, which is the high ticket, and the price is $1,997. But more importantly, guys, I promote software as well, like GetResponse. This is an email marketing software. I promote ClickFunnels. This is for building landing pages, and I promote as well funnelfreedom.io. So this is like a all-in-one marketing platform for every business who wants to collect leads, wants to store their contacts. Like for example, I can connect Funnel Freedom with Instagram, with TikTok, with my Facebook page, and have here my conversations. I can connect with this with my payments, and also I can utilize Funnel Freedom to do the email marketing, create automation workflows, create sites, websites, and landing pages, and many more things, as you can see. Although what I like about Funnel Freedom is that this has a done for you system in this tab where it says Funnel Freedom. So basically, I bought this product because with this done for you system, we can promote multiple affiliate products, around 14 or 15 different type of products. So it has their own lead magnet, it has the sales funnel, and all the automation workflows. And basically we just need to copy and paste our affiliate links by our own domain, so you have like a more branded business, and then start driving traffic to the sales funnel. So this is the page, guys, in which I have all my affiliate links for these products. And as you can see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. So I promote these different type of products with this system. Now, one important thing, guys, is that if I go to payouts, you can see my commissions by promoting the 72-hour challenge and Freedom Breakthrough. So basically, I have made commissions by promoting this product, and also I have made commissions by promoting GetResponse. Check this out. I have one person in the recurring payment. So it's possible, guys, to make commissions with affiliate marketing, but you need to do it the right way. You need to set up well your system, and once you have this 24/7 sales system that is basically that is going to promote products for you through email marketing, and then having that system set up, you need to start driving traffic to it. And that is when people quit, because driving traffic to our affiliate links, it takes time, it takes persistence. So the way that I do that is by creating content on my YouTube channel. So I have all these videos, and these videos are helping me to reach an audience that resonates with my own story, because here I'm like basically documenting my journey, my affiliate marketing journey, And so all the commissions that I'm making, all the things that I'm learning through this journey. So basically, this is what I'm doing in to promote products, guys. So I have this system, and then I create content on my YouTube channel. I have other social media channels as well, like for example Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. I create Facebook Reels, but a huge portion of leads become from this YouTube channel. So when people go to my YouTube channel and click this link, this one, it's going to open my opt-in page, and if they want to get access to a free training, they need to write their information, and basically that is how I'm teaching people all the things that I'm learning by doing affiliate marketing. So right now, guys, today I'm going to show you how I'm going to promote a YouTube video. So having your own email list, guys, is powerful because you can send an email and you can basically promote any product that you want. So for example, if I go here to this, so this is my ClickFunnels account, and I have here all these pages. So I have here free trainings, I have as well. So I created these like cool landing pages to promote these products: the 70 challenge, legendary marketer, funnel freedom, too bad you get response. And for example, let me show you this one, and you're going to see that it's a simple landing page. So instead of sending my affiliate link to my email list, I send this page in which I have here a good headline. I also put a video about the product that I'm going to promote, and below the video people are going to find this button, and when they click it, they will be clicking my affiliate link. For example, this is to promote funnel freedom, and if they want to get access to the 14-day free trial, they can click here and they will be redirected to my affiliate link for this product. But today I'm going to promote this video. So the name is how I build an affiliate income stream, and I'm going to go to get response, click on tools, and then click on email marketing. So that is why it's important to collect your own contacts or your own leads, because that is going to allow you promote multiple things. And YouTube, guys, is a powerful social media that you can utilize and grow to reach more people, and helping those people to go from a point A to a point B. So that being said, we're going to click on create a newsletter, and how do you want to create your email? By myself. So one of the daily affiliate marketing activities that we can do, guys, is create content, if you can do it every single day, and also send emails to your email list. So here we're going to put YouTube promo, because we're going to promote one of my YouTube videos, and we're going to go here and I'm going to name it building multiple income streams. I'm going to select the recipients. So these are my lists. I'm going to click on all the lists, and I'm going to remove my Spanish audience. So we're going to click on add, then I'm going to scroll down, and we're going to design the message. And affiliate marketing, guys, is like so this is like doing things, and you are going to get to that point in which this is going to be like a snowball effect. So at the beginning, it takes time. It takes time to start creating content. It takes time to start collecting your own leads. It takes time to to start getting the ball rolling. But once you have built that momentum, it's going to be a matter of time in which you are going to start collecting your own leads. And once you have your leads, a percentage of those people are going to buy from you. So here we're going to choose the size. I always like to write, hey, first name. Okay, so, and I'm going to like go super straight to the point, guys. I recorded a video about how I promote products, how I promote digital products, and make commissions. This is a step-by-step, click-by-click tutorial if you want to learn over my shoulder how I do it. Watch the video. A very simple message, guys. Watch my video. God bless. My name. Then I'm going to go back, drag and drop the image, because I usually like to put my own picture in all my emails. Okay, so let me scroll down, and we're going to use this one. Okay, so we are almost done, guys. Like, for example, if you can do these daily activities, like for example, one day promote one of your products, one of your affiliate marketing products, then another day promote a software, then another day promote one of your YouTube videos, and then another day like only write an email without any links, just to give value to your email list. And if you can do that every single day and create content and document your own journey, guys, it's going to be a matter of time in which you are going to start collecting leads. Okay, so let me check the grammar. So I recorded this video about promoting digital products and making commissions. This is a step-by-step, click-by-click tutorial if you want to learn over my shoulder. This is a step-by-step, click-by-click tutorial if you want to learn how I do it over my shoulder. Watch the video. Okay, I'm going to go to my YouTube channel, copy this link, and I'm going to paste it here. Watch my video. Paste and insert. Okay, so that's it, guys. Then I'm going to click next. Building multiple income streams. So I'm going to change this subject line. Hey, let's check this one. AI subject line generator. So what keywords should appear in your subject line? Promoting digital products. What kind of business do you have? Affiliate marketing. So let's check this one, guys. Affiliate program generate. So let's see what are the results from the response. Pick your favorite subject line. You'll be able to customize it. Unlock your potential, boost your income, transform your business, ready, join the data. No, I don't like it. I use my own. So here I'm going to I need to write, so we need to write something like catches people's attention, like this is how I do it. Or let's put like something like watch over my shoulder. So let's check this one, guys. Watch over my shoulder. Okay, then what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on perfect timing because get response is going to send that email to my email list. So when people are like seeing their inbox, their email inbox. Okay, we are ready to go, guys. The subject line: watch over my shoulder, recipients, 625 contacts. I have the message. The spam check is good, and then we're going to click on, oh, I forgot something. So I'm going to click here on edit message, because when I promote a YouTube video, I usually like to put the thumbnail of my video. So I'm going to go here and use this thumbnail. I'm going to go again to my YouTube channel, copy this link, because I want to add here, I want to add a link on this image. So as you can see, I have this. So this is my YouTube thumbnail, and I'm going to click here on add link and paste the link of my YouTube video, because I have seen that when I put my thumbnail on my email, so people usually likes to click on the thumbnail. So, tutorial to learn how I do it. Okay, watch my video. Okay, so done. This is done, guys. We're going to click next, and we are ready to go, and we're going to send the message, and that's it. Now I just need to wait to get a response to send the emails to my email list, guys. And that is basically this is one of my daily activities, guys. By doing affiliate marketing, I create content on my YouTube channel, then I send the link of that YouTube video to my email list. So, and this is going to help to build that know, like, and trust factor. That, so basically I'm here in the trenches with you guys, and like doing things and promoting products like you guys. Okay, so let me go here to dashboard. And we are done, guys. So let me know if you have any questions. Let me know in the comments. And also, if you want to get access to my free affiliate marketing training, you can click the first link in the description of this YouTube video, guys, and I'm going to send that training through email. Okay, that being said, talk to you soon, and God bless.